To find and use Translator for real-life conversations on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, we can go to the Control Center, scroll all the way down over here and use the Edit button. So we're going to edit the Control Center because over here we can find the Translate Conversation option. We can just simply add it to the Control Center. Let's tap on this check in order to save it, and then we can easily open it in order to start using the translator. Now over here we have two languages that we can choose, of course. So you can choose your language and then the language that you are trying to communicate with. And of course we have two microphones, so you can tap on your microphone, you can say whatever you want to say out loud, and then your speech is going to be converted into a text, and of course it's going to be translated as well. You can of course tap again in order to stop recording. There we go, we have the translation. You can of course, well, the autoplay is actually activated by default, so usually once the phone translates the speech, then it's going to automatically play it back. So the other person that doesn't speak your language, they can just immediately hear the translation, so they don't have to read it. Also, of course, we can tap on the setting in order to, for example, disable that. We can also find the automatic translation and the recognition of languages. We can find some playback settings as well, and so be sure to check that out. Also, we can switch the view from the standard one to face over here. There we go. So this might be a little bit more convenient to use. So for example, if you stand right in front of someone, then this might be the preferred way to communicate. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.